Let's take a look at the chart action for Cardano. Okay, so there's a couple of things that I'm looking at on Cardano. It looks pretty interesting right now. We were trending down pretty hardcore for a while, and hopefully we're getting that bounce to the upside right now. It looks like it broke out already, but there's also looks like it's testing another downtrend. So here's what I'm looking at. We have resistance, 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 resistance. The first trend line, or the bigger trend line, is this one, and this one. So let's go ahead and draw that out real quick. We have a downtrend, maybe something like this. So until we break this downtrend going to the, or actually once we break this downtrend going to the upside, I think we could get a little bit more bullish than we are right now. The other thing that I was watching in the shorter time frame is this resistance, and this resistance. I was watching this trend line going down like this. We actually broke this trend line going to the upside. At this point, I was kind of thinking that we're heading up, so I put in an order right here. The targets that I'm looking at, I have like 3 targets that I was looking at. We kind of hit the first one already. We have this resistance, and this resistance. So let's go ahead and set up some horizontal red lines. We have one right here, and let's go ahead and set that as red. Then we'll do another one right here and another one right here. These levels are sitting at, the first one is sitting at 96 cents. The second one is sitting at $1.20, and the third one is sitting at 1.60 cents. So those are my targets as long as we're trending to the upside. We have support, support, kind of watching an uptrend going up something like this. As long as we're on this uptrend, I'm looking at these targets up here. Like I said, we hit the first one. The next one that I'm kind of looking at is 1.20. Let's see if we could break this bigger downtrend on the daily time frame though, from this resistance, and this resistance. It looks like we're testing it right now. I'm curious what we're gonna do right here. Are we gonna get rejected and start heading down again, or are we going to break through and start getting a little more bullish, start hitting that first or the second target, and then the third one, next one .120, and then the third one .160. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like Cardano, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to support the channel, check out my Patreon.